Hi there everybody, I'm Matt the Massage Therapist here, and I am back with another video showing you how to release trapezius muscle. In my last video, I showed you how to use the massage gun, so if you didn't see that, check it out. It's a nice warm-up for this muscle prior to using this awesome tool right here. This is called the Thera Cane. If you've never seen one of these, they've been around for a long time. Love this product. Been using this for probably 20 years. And it's very simple to use to get rid of trigger points in lots of different parts of the body. But today we're going to focus on the trapezius muscle, as I said, and let's get into it. I'll show you how to use this. So basically, it's got these two handles. You can grab a hold of it like that. That way you can kind of use leverage. You can pull down on it, which is exactly what we're going to do. So upper trapezius right here has a lot of trigger points in it that refer to the head for headaches. Plus it's just tight on most people from sitting at a desk all day or working out, lifting weights, riding a bike, whatever. So basically you're just going to take the end of it here. You're going to hook it right onto the trapezius muscle. All right, so my head is nice and neutral and straight. I'm just going to pull straight down into that muscle, and then I'm going to stretch ear to shoulder opposite side. Okay, I'm also going to rotate a little bit, and you can feel the muscle move under the Theracane. All right, so you can move around on this muscle back and forth, a zigzag pattern, just like we did with the massage gun. You can also have it angled like this and pull it like this and drag down the muscle, and that looks something like this. So I'm going to go onto the muscle. Now I'm just going to angle it, and it's going to slide down. Okay, this is going to take a little bit of work, okay, a little bit of practice, okay, but it's kind of like stripping the muscle fibers. It's really a fantastic technique. So if you have really tight trapezius muscles, this is going to be extremely helpful. I will say this, here's a trick. If you've got a trigger point in this trapezius muscle and it's referring to the head, what I want you to do is just hold that spot where you're feeling the referral, and I want you to hold it for about 30 seconds and take 3 deep breaths. Okay, so basically you're just going to go into the muscle. Ooh, there's a trigger point, it's referring here. All right, so I'm going to push down on that, and I want it to be about a 7 out of 10 on the pain scale. Okay, so we're going to push down on that trigger point. You feel the 7 or 10 out of pain scale to the referral area. Now 3 deep breaths. Okay, that was sped up a little bit because I know your time is valuable, but basically that should take about 30 seconds, and what you should feel is that pain diminish by at least half. So if it's a 7 or 8 on the pain scale when you're pushing down on it, by the time you're done with those 3 deep breaths, it should be about a 3 or a 4. So don't release the pressure on here. It's gonna feel like you're letting off the pressure. It's not magic, it's just the muscle doing what it does, and that's gonna be the proper protocol for treating trigger points in any part of the body. So if you like this video, go ahead, leave a comment, subscribe if you like so you can get more of this kind of content. Let me know in the comments if this works for you or doesn't work for you. If it doesn't work for you, we can tweak whatever method or technique you're using, and we can go from there. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this helps. Good luck and take care.